Oh yeah, this is a blizzard. Stacy just shoveled us a little path from the driveway. We had a major drift to get through. Yeah, everything's pretty much buried with snow. So we're standing in the street. These people coming by on cars. I don't know. Yep. I'm gonna send this to the news station.
You're not sending me to
They don't seem to be mentioning Seekonk, so I can give them a little show what's going on here. There's the house. Yep, that's it. There's the shovel that Stacy used. Where's Stacy? Stacy, where are you? Say hi. Hey, yeah, there's the neighbors. Bob's gonna go out and shovel everybody's driveway today. He already said he was gonna do that.
You go out here?
Okay. Well, we're gonna go for a little walk. Maybe down to Dunkin' Donuts. I wonder if they're open.
Maybe we can move the shovel.
Yeah. Here we go for a walk. Jesus, it's still snowing. Oh, so pretty. Stacy, she's gonna shovel again. She's a trooper. Yes, it's snowing. Uh-oh, there's a plow truck. See him? Yep, he's down there. Maybe I better get out of the road. Oh, he's going the other way. Maybe not. Stacy's nose is running. I know. We got the cars in the neighbor's yard over there. They're gonna come and plow us out. It's Stacy's car. Yep, and there's Bob's PT. Oh look, it's the snow girl again. Okay. Well, I think we're gonna go in. It's a little cold. Check back for statuses later. We'll keep you update. This is the 146 County Street weather station. Over and out. Bye-bye.